Hello friends, hello and welcome to EDG Guru channel. In this video, we will see Introduction to Language Translator. I have divided the topic of Language Translator into two parts. In first part, we will see the Introduction to Language Translators. What is the language translators? Why it is used, where it is used, and the types of language translators. Whereas in the second part, we will see the difference between compiler and interpreters. So in this video, we will cover the first part and I will provide the link of second part of language translators video in description. You can watch that out. So let's begin with first part of language translators.
Subscribe to EDG Guru channel and hit the bell icon for getting notification as soon as a new video uploaded in EDG Guru channel.
So what is the language translators? As the name suggests, it is used for conversion of language because it is made up of two words, language and translators. Translators means what? Translators means conversion. Translators means conversion. And language translators means it is something used for converting language. So what exactly in terms of the computer programming, what exactly the language translators are? Let's understand this. We all are aware that the computer is a machine. Computer is a machine which can only understand the machine language. Computer is a machine which can only understand the machine language. Computer don't understand the English language, or the computer don't understand the high level language and the low level language in which the user usually writes the programs. Let's suppose we have given the input to a computer which is in machine form or machine language. Let's suppose we have given the input to a machine language. We have given the input to a computer which is in a machine language. So computer understands the machine language. It understands the machine language. It also understands the program which is already in machine language. It directly can execute the set of instructions inside that program and can produce the respective output. But this is not the case. We not usually give the input to a computer which is in a machine language because user usually writes the program which is in high level language or low level language or assembly language because machine language is not that much easy to understand. User is not comfortable with machine language. User is comfortable for writing the program which is in high level language or in low level means assembly language. User usually writes the program which is in high level language or assembly means low level language because user is comfortable to write the program in these languages. But these languages, computer don't understand these languages, right? Computer don't understand these languages. If we are giving the input to a computer in these languages, computer don't understand. Right, it only understands the machine language, and that's why it needs a conversion of these languages into machine language. And thus here the language translators comes into a pictures which converts the high level language program or assembly level language program into the machine language which computer can understand, and computer can execute the set of instructions inside that program and can produce the respective output. right? So here the language translators comes into the picture, which converts the user written programs which is in high level language and high level language or the assembly and low level language to machine language, which computer can understand and can execute the set of instructions inside the program and can produces the respective outputs. Next, we will see the types of language translators, which are assemblers, compilers, and interpreters. There are three types of translators: assemblers, compilers, and interpreters. We have seen that the language translators are used for converting the high-level language program or low-level language program into machine language. Right? Which programs it converts? It converts the program which is written in either high-level language or low-level language, means assembly language. It converts the high-level language program, or it converts the high-level language program, or it converts the low-level or it converts the low-level language programs, or low-level language programs also called as an assembly language. Low-level language is also called as an assembly language, right? So language translators are used for converting the high-level language program or low-level language program. When a user usually writes a program in high-level language or assembly or low-level language. So language translators are to be used for converting this program into machine language. Into the machine language, right? Is this clear? So the types of translators are, there are three types of translators: assemblers, compilers, and interpreters. When the user writes the program which is in an assembly language, user written program, if it is in the assembly language, in that case the assemblers are to be used for converting that program into machine language, right? If the user written program is in assembly language, assemblers are to be used. The translator, assembler is a type of translators, right? It is used for converting the program, assembly language program into machine language. Whereas if the user writes a program which is in a high level language, user written program is in a high level language, in that case the compilers and interpreters are to be used for converting that program into machine language. So what is the assemblers? Assemblers are the type of translators which are used for converting the assembly language program into machine code or machine language. Whereas compilers and interpreters are the type of translators which are used for converting the high-level language program into machine language or machine code. These assemblers, compilers, and interpreters, these all are the types of translators. These are all are the types of translators, means for converting the user written programs into machine code, since the computer can only understand the machine language. Computer can execute the set of instructions inside the machine language and can produce the respective output. Similars are used when user-written program is in assembly language, whereas if the user-written program is in a high-level language, in that case the compilers and interpreters are to be used for converting that program into machine language. So in this way we have seen what is a language translators and the type of language translators. In second part we will see the the difference between compilers and interpreters. There is also the difference between compilers and interpreters that we will cover in next part. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon in order to get the notification for upcoming videos in this channel. Thank you. Thank you for watching.